welcome to my Pre-blog-bilities.
Today's video is going to be a little different,
but super exciting.
because we're diving to the world of statistics and probability. In this vlog, I'll explain 3 important topics that help us understand data and chances in real life. First is the histograms, second is the normal curve, and last but not the least is the determining probability. By the end of this video, you'll see how math isn't just about numbers. It's actually everywhere around us. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Alright, let's begin with histograms. So first, what is a histogram? A histogram is a graph used to show how data is grouped into intervals, also known as class intervals. It looks like a bar graph, but here's the key difference. The bars touch each other because histograms represent continuous data. Example, imagine we collected the math test scores of a class. Instead of listing all the scores one by one, you group them like this: 70 to 79, 80 to 89, and last is 90 to 100. Each bar shows how many students fall into each score range. This makes it easier to understand the data at a glance. Why does histograms are important? Histograms help us see patterns in data, identify the most common values, understand how data is spread, and last is check if data is balanced or skewed. They are commonly used in schools, surveys, population studies, business reports, and last is science experiments. So histograms help turn messy numbers into something clear and visual. Now let's move on to one of the most important graphs in statistics, the normal curve, also known as bell curve. What is a normal curve? The normal curve is a smooth, bell-shaped, and symmetrical graph. Most of the data is found in the middle around the mean or average, and fewer values appear as you move away from the center. Here are the real-life examples of a normal curve. You can see the normal curve in height of a people, IQ scores, exam results, and last the measurements error. Most of people are close to the average, and only a few are extremely high or extremely low. The 68 to 65 to 69.7 rule. This rule helps us understand how data is distributed in a normal curve. First, 68% of the data is within one standard deviation from the mean. Second, 95% is within 2 standard deviations. And third is a 99.7% is within 3 standard deviations. This means that almost all the data is near the average. The normal curve helps teachers, scientists, and researchers understand performance and behavior patterns. Last but not the least is the determining probability. Now let's talk about determining probability, or simply finding the chance that something will happen. What is probability? Probability measures how likely an event is to occur. It is written as numbers between 0 and 1, or as a percentage. Basic formula: probability equals number of favorable outcomes or total number of possible outcomes. First example, coin toss. There are 2 possible outcomes, the head or tails. The probability of getting head is 1 half equals 0.5 or 50%. Next, colored ball example. If there are 10 balls in a bag and 3 are red, the probability of picking a red ball is 3 all over 10 or 30%. Why does probability is important? Probability helps us predict outcomes, make informed decisions, understand risks. The last but not the least is to analyze situation logically. It is used in weather forecasting, games and sports, business decisions, and last but not the least is the science and research. So probability isn't just about luck, it's about understanding chances. And that wraps up today's math blog. Let's quickly review what we learned. Histograms help organize and visualize data. The normal curve shows how data is distributed around the average. Determining probability helps us calculate chances of events. I hope this video helped you understand the statistics and probability in a fun and simple way. Thank you so much for watching. This is Santi Nicolas and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!